How to use a crimp and crimping pliers. In this case, we'll be attaching a jump ring to the end of this bracelet. The first step is to slide your crimp tube onto the beading wire. Crimping pliers have a set of dimples in them. The biggest dimple here in the back is the first step of using a crimping plier. We're going to slide the wire through the jump ring, in this case, back through the crimp tube. We're going to snug that wire up in the tube, and then we're going to place our crimping pliers onto the tube so it's lined up with that larger dimple in the back, and we're going to press. That makes the first dimple in the crimp tube. And the next step is to use the smaller of the two dimples and bring that around your crimp tube and close that crimp. So now you have a nice secure crimped jump ring attached to your bracelet. And the last step is to trim the beading wire.